Procter Gamble is widely regarded as a defensive stock. Defensive stocks are those that tend to perform relatively well during economic downturns or recessions. These companies typically offer essential products or services that maintain consistent demand even in challenging economic conditions. As a leading consumer goods company, Procter Gamble manufactures a diverse range of household products, including personal care items, cleaning supplies, and healthcare products. These goods are considered essential items that consumers continue to purchase even during economic hardships. With expectations that the Fed may not have yet finished their rate hiking cycle, is a defensive play sensible? The seasonals for Procter Gamble are certainly very strong. Over the last 20 years, from June the 13th through to September the 10th, the company has gained 85% of the time with an average return of over 5%. Is this a stock worth buying for the summer months? Major trade risks. There are multiple risks in markets in the market at the moment, and the next Fed meeting is a likely key driver for stocks that's just coming up. Also, there is individual stock risks for Procter Gamble. Remember that HYCM clients can access the SeasonX product in order to analyze over 25,000 different currencies, indices, commodities, as well as individual stocks. And all you need to do is contact your account manager for a free trial and you can get started right away. Certain products and services mentioned herein may or may not be available to all clients, depending on which HYCM Capital Markets Group entity their trading account adheres to.